So from the factory they come peened right about here. So you kind of want to just take a file and try to file all that stuff down. You can see you'll hopefully get. Want to be careful with that. You go ahead and remove in this particular order, right? So nut, cup washer, check spring, sleeve, forgot check plate, I think. Oh crap, this came out with all the shim stacks. And valve and shim stack, as you can see here. And then this has two washers which act as base plates, but I believe Racetech supplied me with one, so that will replace it. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and install some Racetech gold valves that I bought on eBay. So I bought these Racetech gold valves on eBay. Came with the really sick Racetech Technical Edge gold valve VHS. Freaking sweet, dude. That's like a collector's item right there, bro. But anyways, yeah, I framed that to my wall. And we'll get back to the gold valves, buddy. So here we have a stock compression valve, as you can tell, with OEM shims and everything, right? Set up in the way they came out the factory. You got one butt naked with nothing on it, right? So I hope the camera's focusing in on this. You can see it. That's it. And then, yeah, we got the little gold valves. The little bad boys aren't hurt. Your boy. I'm gonna go ahead and wash. Just kind of clean this off. Okay, so we got this nice and clean. I'll go ahead and start by installing the base plate. I'm referencing the custom valve thing that they did for me. So that's where they recommended CH8. These are really old valves from, I want to say, early 2000s. They have the much bigger ones now. They're like 24 millimeters in diameter. Back to this thing, right? CH8 is here. So in this case, it works from, so this tells you that they order them from the piston face down. So I'm gonna start from the bottom up since I'm working from the bottom up. So anyways, I'm going to start with a 1011. Make sure this thing's set to 0. Yeah, that's about close. It's one of those Harbor Freight calipers, but they honestly do the job. So that's safe to say that's 11. That's 11 millimeters. So I'll go ahead and toss that guy on. I'll go ahead and measure this guy here. Alright. So we have pretty much 12. Okay, so for the rest of these, you can just go ahead and continue measuring out the circumference of these little shims. 19. Just keep following your chart, so and place the 19 do it all the way to the end. Here. Very nice. And then 2 15, 21. So 0.15 on the sheet means the thickness. So all the other ones that we just used were 0.10 thickness. There you go. 0.10 thickness. All the other ones that we've put on so far. This one that we're about to put on is supposed to be 0.15. There we go. So we'll get 2 of these. Just double check. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. It's also a 21. Oops. Also a 21. So go ahead and throw that on there. And throw. No! Go ahead and throw this on there too. 21. And there you have that. Okay, so there you can kind of see the valve stack there. That's kind of what it does. If you can see the little taper down. But after we install our valve stack, we're going to go ahead and install this gold valve on the shaft with the recess pointing up, as you can tell. Recess pointing up. And we'll go ahead and install the sleeve. Sleeve is in there. And then we have a check valve, which is pretty much a washer with a bigger hole in it to go around the sleeve. And then we have a spring that was supplied with the kit. And this thing here, I think it's like a cupped washer or something, and the cup faces down over the spring. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our new nut. And, oh no, I forgot. We need Loctite. I'm going to put some Loctite on the nut. I think I may have run dry. Oh no. Kidding me? Kidding me? I might still make it. I need something. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back now. I bought some orange Loctite. It's supposed to be apparently as good as the red stuff, but it's removable. I don't know. We'll go ahead and give it a try. I give a crap. Alright. So, let's go ahead and put a little bit on the threads. Alright, don't take much. A drop does. A drop will get on all those threads. Then we'll go ahead and we gotta be careful with these threads because they are aluminum. Go ahead and torque it to 48 inch-pounds per the instructions on Racetech stuff. So I'll go ahead and put this guy in her, and then we can go ahead and put a. So the instructions specifically say that you want to make sure that this, what was it, a valve plate or check plate, something like that, should be free, as you can tell. It's like a screw.